Hello, Minho. Welcome back to Manila.
Welcome back to Manila.
I'm Minho. Welcome back to the Philippines. I'm Minho Shi. Welcome back to Manila.
Hi Minho, welcome back to Manila.
Hello, Minho. Welcome back to Manila. Hello, Minho. Welcome back to Manila. Hello, Minho. Welcome back to Manila.
Hello, Kinoshi. Hope you're having a great time in Manila. No words can express how happy I am to see you again. And of course, your Filipinos are very excited too. Let's create new memories and wish for family. See you!
Hello, I am your Lutec fan from Philippines and I'm currently working in PSA. Hope to see you soon. Wishing you all the good things and good health.
I didn't have the chance to get to sleep when I was in Malaysia, so this time, I wish I could. Thank you so much for inspiring me. And see ya!
Hello! Finally, here ka na ulit. Thank you for sharing this special moment with us. When cherish is forever.
Personally, your friend that here in Manila, Philippines.
Hi, Minho! Welcome back to Manila! You're not just an apple that I'm up to, but my safe haven where I'm in Manila. Thank you for being my life during my circumstances of working with you. Thank you for inspiring us and Filipinos will always be ready to support you. Bye, Kinoshi!
Sarah kayo. Sarah kayo.
Thank you.
감동입니다. 감동.